In today's video, I'm going to be giving my honest review of Tradelle so that you can find out if it's right for you. Now, by the end of this video, you're going to understand everything you need to know about Tradelle, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end. Now, if you've never tried out Tradelle for yourself, I'll actually include a link in the video description down below, and if you click on that link, you'll get taken to this page, and you can actually get started for free by clicking this blue button in the top right corner. So what actually is Tradelle? Tradelle is an all-in-one dropshipping tool designed to streamline the process for Shopify store owners. It excels in product research, offering advanced data analysis and filtering to help you find profitable products. The integration with Shopify also makes managing inventory and fulfilling orders a breeze. Tradelle also provides educational resources to help dropshippers succeed. So what are some of the top features of Tradelle? Tradelle's top features cater to two specific areas for dropshipping success: product research and order fulfillment automation. To start with, they had advanced data analysis, and it analyzes factors like sales volume, profit estimates, and pricing trends to help you identify high potential products. You can also refine your product search with comprehensive filtering options, and this allows you to pinpoint products based on your specific criteria, and it will help you find winners that fit in your niche. Now, they also have effortless order fulfillment. They have a one-click Shopify import, meaning that you can find a winning product on their page, and you can simply import it into your Shopify store in just one simple click. They also have automated order fulfillment. They actually handle the order fulfillment for you, so they can source products, handle shipping, and keep you and your customers informed throughout the entire process. These features combined can save dropshippers significant time and effort, allowing you to focus on marketing and growing the business. So now moving on to their pricing plan, and they actually have 4 different pricing plans. To start with, you can try Tradelle risk-free for 7 days, and they also have a money-back guarantee. So this is something that's definitely worth noting, and I do appreciate that they offer this to customers. So the first plan is free, coming in at $0 a month. However, the next plan is the monthly plan, and this is just $29.99 a month. And they say here, one sale a month will actually cover the cost of your subscription. So that shows how cheap this actually is. Next, we have the yearly plan, and this works out as $19.99 a month. However, that is $239 altogether. And then finally, they have the lifetime plan, and this is $479. This is billed once, and this allows you to use this product forever. Now, in my opinion, these prices are pretty good, and as I mentioned earlier, I especially like the monthly one because just one sale a month will cover the cost of your subscription. So this is a great plan for newcomers who just want to try out the platform and see how good it is. And even if you don't make a sale in your first month and you decide it's not for you, then you've only lost out on $29. Whereas if you did try this out and it worked out, you would potentially be making a business that could retire you for life. So what are the top 3 pros of Tradelle? To start with, there's the product research tool. Since Tradelle excels in product research with advanced data analysis, insightful filtering options, and trend identification, it will help you find profitable products with high sales potential. They also have the effortless order fulfillment, meaning that they automate the order fulfillment for you, which saves you time and effort. And another pro is how beginner-friendly it is with resources. It offers a great user-friendly interface, and it also comes with valuable educational resources that you can use if you're ever having trouble using Tradelle. But what about some of the cons of Tradelle? To start with, there's limited branding options. Currently, Tradelle lacks features for intensive product branding on dropshipped items. This could be a deal breaker for those seeking a more customized approach. Next up is the pricing considerations. For some people, Tradelle's paid plans may be expensive. However, you need to evaluate the cost against the features and potential benefits for your business to work out how effective this could be. And finally, there could be a learning curve for some features. Mastering some of Tradelle's advanced features might actually require some time and effort to learn so that you could utilize it effectively. In conclusion, Tradelle streamlines dropshipping with its powerful product research tools and automated order fulfillment, ideal for those who prioritize data-driven decisions and efficiency. However, you do also have to consider some of the cons that I mentioned earlier. If extensive product customization is essential for you and your dropshipping business, you may want to explore alternatives. But if not, I recommend you try out Tradelle for yourself, and as I mentioned earlier, I'll actually include a link in the video description down below, which allows you to try out Tradelle, because you get a 7-day free trial to try this out, and if you don't like it, you can always cancel for absolutely free. So this has been my review of Tradelle. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.